Hi dear students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss after acid the base. That what is base? After acid we will discuss the base. A base is a substance that ionizes in water to produce OH minus ions. The example is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. You see that this is OH. You see that this is OH. And you see that this is OH. These all are the hydroxides. This is sodium hydroxide, which is in solid state, which is in solid form. This is KOH, which is in solid state. And this is ammonium hydroxide, which is in aqueous state. Now when this sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, it will give Na plus and OH minus. So when this substance is dissolved in water to give OH minus, so this is actually the hydroxide. And when this substance after dissolution to produce OH, this is base. This is base. Same is the case for this one. This is the potassium hydroxide. And you know when also the potassium hydroxide is going to be dissolved in water, it will give potassium and hydroxyl group. This hydroxyl group also show the base. So this show that this one is the base. The third one is the ammonium hydroxide, which is an aqueous form dissolved in water to give ammonium plus hydroxyl. And this hydroxyl line again show that this is base. So this all about the bases. If you have any question regarding acids and bases, you can ask in the comments box. Thank you.